It's common to use flex circuitry to transmit a signal in an otherwise rigid PCB design. With OrCAD, you can easily divide your PCB in rigid and flex areas and define different stackups for both technologies. Let's consider this rigid flex design. To make it flexible, specific layers, masking, and materials are required. Open the cross-section editor to create stackups. We have already created a primary stackup for this design, but you can always import it from a previous design or your manufacturer. Go to the View menu and select multi-stackup mode. The stackup window will be updated with new parameters to create multiple stackups. The All Stackup tab will show the complete setup of all the layers in your design. You can also add required masking and coverlay layers here. Primary stackup is used for rigid areas, so it will include all the layers except masking and epoxy layers for flex design. Now click on the plus sign to create a flex stackup and name it Flex 1. In All Stackup, a column with checkboxes will be created for Flex 1. Enable the layers you want to include in primary and Flex 1 stackups by selecting the checkboxes for each layer, and uncheck the layers you want to exclude. The purpose of including flexible areas in this design is to connect multiple boards using PCB instead of cables and connectors. So for the flex stackup, include only inner layers, coverlay, epoxy, and stiffener layers. Click on Flex 1 to see your new stackup. Notice that you need to create a base stackup which has all masking and etch layer information for the stackups you plan to create in your design. You can create a library of base stackup XML files and import them when designing a new stackup. You can also refer to stackup information from your manufacturer. Once your stackup is complete, divide your board into multiple sections to assign the stackups. These sections are called zones. Go to the Setup menu, select Zones, and then Create. Enter the name of the zone as Flex, and assign the stackup Flex 1 in the Options widget. For now, we can leave the constraint regions and rooms blank since we haven't created any. Next, right-click on the board canvas and select Add Rectangle to create a rectangular-shaped zone. After creating the rectangle, right-click on the board and select Done. In this zone, you only have inner layers for transmitting signals. You can change zone names or selected stackups from the Zone Manager. You can also visualize all these stackups in 3D. With OrCAD, you can easily assign dedicated stackups to flexible areas of your design, which allow you to transmit signals between multiple boards without needing cables and connectors.